enjoy your life, to be happy, it's all that matters. The most happiest and the cheerful person at the present in Army Institute of Technology is Manoj Khalidkar, a well-known name, need no introduction. He is the bridge between the corporate and the AIT. Under his guidance, AIT touches all the heights of success. AIT comes under the top best colleges in India and top 3 in Pune. More than 60 companies come every year to AIT. He proved his good connection with the companies and with his communication skills. He is also full of life, loves to sing, and he writes a blog named manojtpo.blogspot.com. Hello, sir. We welcome you here. It's our pleasure to have you here, sir. Now, firstly, how you achieve your success in your life and to whom you dedicate your success.
Okay, so thanks for this initiative, and I'm really delighted to talk to you as you are AIT student, and I always like to speak to students. So how many time we have for this discussion? Around 10-15 minutes?
More than that, it's
More
fine.
than that,
Yeah,
it's fine.
yeah, it's
Okay,
fine, sir.
See, it's actually very simple, but at the same time very difficult question to answer, because when we see or when you ask me the success and measure the success, the first and foremost for in every person's life are his parents. So I start this particular discussion by saluting my parents, who not only gave me education but they also gave me values and what do you say, how to tackle the life at difficult times. So full credit to them. And at the same time, when we see how you achieve success in your life, so the success in the life can be achieved with three different fundamentals. The these three fundamentals are 3H factor, I always call it.
Okay.
So this 3H factor means head, heart, and hand. So if you achieve a success, or if you are saying I am somewhere or I am on that verge of achieving success, it is only because I use the 3H at my fullest potential. I always try to keep clarity in the thinking. That is number one, first H, head. Second is whatever I do it by heart. So that is the second H. And I always believe in doing something. It may be correct, not correct, it may be up to the mark, not up to the mark. I may struggle at different time, but I always believe in doing something by hand, and that is the third H. So I achieve the success only because of these 3H.
Okay, then what is the most inspiring thing in your life? What most inspires you?
To be very frank with you,
Yeah.
microphone inspires me at the most.
Okay.
That is the thing. That means the audience inspires me. I am passionate about talking, and my what you say, my main inspiration was Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who was our ex-prime minister and a very beloved leader of all of us, of all Indians. And he is the person who inspired me a lot. And I think that I can speak well, not if extraordinary, but the main inspiration is talking, and talking for good cause, talking with students and new generation, talking for some purpose. Okay, that is the inspiration.
Okay, which is the most difficult day in your life, and how you did overcome that day? The most experience.
See, most difficult day in the life, there are two aspects of this. It's a what do you say, professionally difficult day and personal level difficult day.
Yeah.
So professional difficult day, when I was very passionate about teaching. So I was working in the industry, and at some point of time, what happened that because of teaching was my passion, so I decided to switch from industry to academia for teaching. And as far as the monetary gains are concerned, as far as my settlement and family orientation was concerned, that was very difficult day in my life. Though I was very passionate, coming from certain position from industry directly to a teaching, and that too in a diploma college, it was very difficult for me.
Yes.
So that is a professional. Personal level पे difficult day. What you can say? I think trekking is my hobby. So at personal level, I had gone to Devkund, which is a very famous place in Maharashtra, and unfortunately, you know, few months back, few of our AIT students drone away.
Yes.
So and जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि I went there to see the things actually, but unfortunately because of the heavy rains I got stuck up in that jungle, and I was means going through that bad patch for almost 4 5 hours, and that was the most difficult day I can say.
Okay. And then how you overcome that, means that time or that.
See, actually, by God's grace, every person has given that courage, okay,
Yeah,
or
it's
more or
true.
less. So, only one mantra which I keep following is that these days will also pass.
Yeah.
Okay,
it's
so
true.
if it is difficult day, good days are going to come. Even if good days are there, always be mentally alert that there are some bad patches which are on the next corner. So just that is keep your mindset right. That is the only thing.
Okay. What are the things you feel are missing in the youth today and should focus on achieving their goals?
Actually, now my son is 21 years old and he has just joined corporate. So it's very difficult question to answer. So when I am talking about the new generation, I am not only talking about you, I am talking about him. I am talking about n number of students. So see, it's a what you see, the things which are missing in the youth.
Yeah.
Probably their orientation and their belief about the values.
Yeah.
Okay, that is something I will not say they are wrong, and I will also not say that these things are missing, but certainly they need to work more on this, because consciously, subconsciously, unconsciously, they are driven by so many unwanted things in their life. It may be over free culture. It may be the addictions of number of things. It may be what you say behavior with the elders. Okay, it may be the family warmthness. Okay, so all these things I will not say missing. It is present in patches, but connecting dots. Okay, that is the most important thing which are missing. By the way, they are very clever. They are very passionate about the thing. They are very tech savvy, and they know they are very smart. Okay, but what happens is they are growing.
Yeah.
Today's generation, but they are unfortunately not growing from inside.
Yeah.
They are growing from outside, and their personality development is like the thermocol development. It may fall. It should not fall, because my son also come into that category, but it may fall drastically on some difficulties.
Tell me about your life-changing moment or one.
Life-changing moments means now when I am speaking with you, I am speaking with you as a training and placement officer, or as you say, a happy person.
Yeah.
My life-changing moment means when I switched from industries to academia. After spending so many days in academia, one fine morning I realized that this particular thing is not working for me. It's a totally teacher's life, means a well-respected life, but a lot of monotonousness in that. And then I decided that I should play my third inning of life at the age of 35. And then I searched and I found this profession of training and placement. And then it was very difficult at that time, because I was settled and then leaving again teaching. So at the first I left industry, then again leaving teaching and coming to a so uncertain and hookah profession, which is very volatile, uncertain, ambiguous, and with a lot of things are there. That was a very what you say the life-changing moment of life. But once I took that decision, I went ahead with it. I overcome a lot of challenges. I switched 3-4 institutes as a training and placement officer, and I'm very happy and fortunate, and I'm graced that from last 9 years I could give some justice to this college, Army Institute of Technology. Uh, so this was the life changing moment. Then I was very happy. Means once I settled in this profession, every day I am meeting new person. Like today I am meeting you, I am talking to you. So it's a life changing moment. So for me, every moment is life changing. But coming to this particular profession of training and placement was the biggest change.
Change. Okay. What do you learned from your life till now? Means the values or something?
Uh, I have learned only two things. Okay,
Okay.
number one is when I was fortunate to have a very decent discussion with great Sri Sri Ravi Shankar.
Oh.
You know, all of us know he's the founder
Yes,
of
sir.
Art of Living. So
Yeah.
we went for some conference in Bangalore, and he was talking to us. So I asked him a very simple, but at that time it was unanswered question. So I dare, okay, to ask his Guruji, you please answer this question. What should be the philosophy of life? So then he laughed and he gave me one answer. So last 6 7 years, I can think about that answer, and I can see lot of things in that. He told me that only follow three things: clarity in thinking. There should be a clarity in thinking, in your thinking always.
Yeah.
Purity in heart. Okay, your heart should be full of purity to anybody,
Yeah.
to your family member, to students, to wife, to anybody.
Colleagues.
And third thing is that spontaneity in action. Your action should be spontaneous. So I think these are the three things which till date also I learned from life also, and I keep to follow the same
This is the mantra of your
mantra of the life.
Okay. Then what are the 5 elements which lead you here, or this are the same goals and
See, number one is keep life simple. That
Okay.
is the number one
Yeah.
thing. I am not so many tech savvy. Today also I struggled a lot even to make PPTs and take the guidance of my colleague. So
Yeah.
keep the life simple. The things which are not I'm good at, I do not have any shame to go to anybody and ask. Second thing, I even go to students also and ask them number of things. So keep life simple. That is the first thing. Second is keep on doing good work. If you feel honestly that you are doing good work, keep on doing it. Then third one is what you say along with this is interact with people. People will tell you number of things. Interact, be interactive.
Yeah.
Fourth is keep yourself fit. When I say fit, it's a physical fitness, it is emotionally fitness,
Yeah.
your mentally fitness, spiritually fitness. I'm not I cannot declare that I am 100% fit,
Fit.
but I'm sure that I'm trying towards this consciously. So this is the fourth one, and fifth one is enjoy life,
Yeah.
be happy.
Be happy in what we get.
Yeah.
Okay. Then what are the goals now in life or so?
My goal is that number one professional goal is I want to establish myself. It can be unrealistic, but your dream should be unrealistic.
Unrealistic.
Then only it can be fulfilled.
Can be real. Yeah.
So, my dream is to become a number one orator in Maharashtra.
Oh, nice.
So
It will be.
I may achieve this, I may not, but it is my dream, and I will live with it. So that is the most important thing. That is the goal. And second professional goal is that keep AIT flag high.
True, sir.
So till the time I get retired, I want to see AIT at top.
True, sir. It will be. Yeah. According to you, how you will define the failure?
Failure is the thing. I will not. I always say that failure should be the function of success. It's reverse.
Yeah.
Means sometimes in mathematics you don't achieve some functions and it can lead to some different or difficult or wrong answer.
Wrong answer.
So failure is just a wrong answer of your correctness. That is the thing which I know. There is nothing kind of a failure. I see failure is the opportunity for learning, opportunity to come to known from unknown. Okay, and failure is something which show you a mirror. It is the most, what you say, the most admirable moment of your life for make up.
True, sir.
Make up the things that is the failure.
What do you do when you face the failures?
Say when I face a failure, see I am totally a right brain person, so I do not have that logical or arithmetic things like a left brain person. Typical right brain person, a lot of creativity or enthu and people. I have a people skills, but at the same time, right brain person also have one lacuna that they get tense early,
Early, yeah.
then they get frustrated early, and they get interact early.
Early.
So I am totally open-minded person. So failure really shatters me. Okay, and definitely I am not so good in handling failures. But at the same time, I forget the things quickly. So that can be one good thing with the
thing to
failure.
achieve the-
I really forget it quickly.
Quickly.
And second day I am fresh.
Fresh.
So
That's
is
a
the
good thing.
That is the good
Yeah.
thing. That is all.
Okay, then something you want to tell up to our viewers or the readers.
Uh, Give your fullest to whatever you are doing. Give your fullest to your family, to your college, to your community, and just don't be happy. Be happy for some good cause. We all are citizens of India, and we should be proud of our nation.
Yeah.
And as we are working in Army Institute of Technology, I think Indian Army, which are doing the great things for India, we should take some component out of it and inculcate in our daily routine. That's all. All the best.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for having you. Yeah, great pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.